Welcome to Cookies. This is our Valentine's Day special.
Actually, it's our first show special.
So we're celebrating two things. We're here.
And it's our first show.
I'm Coco.
And I'm Fifi.
And here we cook and make up anything.
Anything? Oh well, yes. Literally anything.
Did you get me anything for Valentine's?
Oh no. Oops, I forgot. Did you get me anything?
Well, yes, I did. I got us friendship necklaces. This is yours and this is mine.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Let me help.
Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Let me help you with yours.
Fits perfectly.
To be honest, I actually got you something.
Ooh, what is it?
Hang on, let me see. I can't wait for her face when she sees it.
Oh my god, so cute! I love it!
Yeah.
Thank you. What do you think we should name her?
Nala?
Dory?
Tammy?
Greenie?
What is that?
Well, she's green.
Okay then, tiny yellow? That's not even cute. What do you guys think we should name her?
You can suggest the name of the bird on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. And you can find us anywhere on those 3 apps.
We'll tell you the name of her in the next video when you guys have picked the name. Now, what to do for Valentine's Day?
What you can do for Valentine's is gift a friend, buy chocolate, lots of it, and try different flavors.
Actually, eat all of it. Make something special for your family. Let's make strawberry dip.
That's a good idea. It's gonna look so pretty.
Let's do it. First, we have milk chocolate,
White chocolate
and strawberries.
And not to forget the popsicle sticks.
Here they are.
Let's start.
First, we melt up the milk chocolate.
Melt the white chocolate
Remove the stem from the strawberries.
and add the popsicle sticks. Put it into the refrigerator for it to cool up, and it's time to party. So good.
Let's have more.
No.
Happy Valentine's Day! Do something special for your family this Valentine's Day.